Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 4 best $200 welcome bonus brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's welcome bonus is a promotional offer extended to new traders who join their platform. This bonus serves as an incentive, typically in the form of a cash deposit or trading credits, to help traders get started in the world of foreign exchange trading. It can enhance a trader's initial capital, providing them with additional resources to potentially increase their trading opportunities. However, traders should be aware that these bonuses often come with certain terms and conditions, such as minimum trading requirements, to ensure fair and responsible trading practices. Traders who are searching for some of the best $200 welcome bonus brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the 4 best $200 welcome bonus brokers. Coming in first, at number 4 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 3 on our list is Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. Coming in at number 2, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a Send account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts. With swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 4 best $200 welcome bonus brokers, we have InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. InstaForex offers a variety of bonus offerings to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These bonuses are designed to provide traders with extra value and opportunities to maximize their trading potential. These bonuses include welcome bonuses, no deposit bonuses, a 55% bonus, a club bonus, and more. Traders who are interested in enhancing their trading journey can explore these bonuses to potentially increase their trading capital and profitability. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Insta Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. And those are some of the top 4 best $200 welcome bonus brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.